guys, today I'm taking you to Covent Garden. It's 38 degrees in London, so all you had to do is get an umbrella, put a nice sunscreen, more than 30 SPF, and just walk around. Transport in London is very easy. I took a tube from Clapham to Leicester Square. All you have to do is download City Mapper app and you will get all the travel information right from the options to charges. Here we are at the Leicester Square. It's such a vibrant and colorful place. It's like every lane has something to say. Without getting much distracted, here we are walking towards Covent Garden. It's hardly 7 to 10 minutes walk from Leicester Square station. At the entry of Covent Garden, I saw monks distributing Bhagavad Gita. What a beautiful start to the day. Covent Garden is located in the West End of London, famous for its luxury fashion and beauty stores. This is Kick Game, a shop suggested by my friend Gabby. If you love sneakers, then this is definitely your place. They have all latest collection of sneakers. Here we are in front of the Covent Garden Market. It is a must-see destination for anyone who enjoys shopping, theatre, restaurants, bar, history or culture. Do you see my name on the wall? If you do, let me know in the comments below. Let's go right in. It says to the North Hall and Apple Market. You know a fun thing about Apple Market? It used to be famous for fruits and vegetables. Now it supports market traders who sell handcrafts, jewelry, unique soaps and all sort of unusual items. For me, Covent Garden is more of a place to chill, have a drink or two, enjoy good food in a beautiful restaurant, soak in the beautiful ambience and enjoy with your friends or even alone like me. Covent Garden is more than just a place to chill. They have these stalls like this one. It has such beautiful jewelry, but honestly, I think it's overpricey as they know that all the tourists would come here. They also have amazing gift items, and this one in particular is my favorite stall because it has all prank items. Apart from the stalls, there are these high-ended brand stores worth watching. Honestly, I don't even know half of them, but I'm truly mesmerized looking at how beautifully they have projected their artwork. Personally, I love the idea of these mannequins projecting designers' work. After the mannequins, this giant lipstick Ferris wheel is my favorite artwork. When I walked past the hall, I saw this nice sitting arrangement outside restaurants and bar. Also, I saw this Jubilee Market Hall. From outside, it looks like a decent, local, and reasonable shopping marketplace. Okay, so from the first look, it's like everything you get in India, but a bit pricey. If you want to buy unique souvenirs, this is your place. You will get cool t-shirts that says London, keychains, showpiece, wobbleheads, and I honestly don't know why I did this. They also have very cool collection of bucket hats, caps, scarves, t-shirts and socks. They also have a very cool collection of London transport merchandise. There are so many unique items in this market. You would want to buy it all, but you should know how to bargain, unlike me. Something that took my attention is this shop, Coco Art. They paint sneakers. I like how they customize it. This silver jewelry shop has really good stuff. All the items here are so unique, something that I have never seen before. Like, look at all these tops in the shape of rabbit, tap, lizards, rat. For a pair of silver tops, that too with such unique designs, £4.99 is really not a bad price. Oh my god, for my mother, this is a treasure. Look at all these unique vintage collectibles. Maya, I'm sure you would have gone crazy here. Now I'm hungry and in a mood to eat waffles. So I'm walking towards a place my friend Roshni suggested. So here we are at the Zizi Factory. They serve sexy French waffles. London Transport Museum is just beside Covent Garden, so I decided to have a look. To enter the museum, you have to buy a ticket worth Rs 21, which is valid for one whole year. And for the children, it's free. On such a hot and sunny day, all you need is a cocktail van that serves Aperol spritz. I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I enjoyed this drink. Let me know what you think about it through your likes, comments and share. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And stay tuned for more such videos.